Money. In this video, you will learn how to make more money and transform your life. Many of us are dissatisfied with money, worrying about income, savings, and investments. But there's no reason why you can't take charge of your financial situation. All you need is the right attitude and the insights of some simple strategies for mastering money. There were more than 35 million millionaires in the world in 2017. So why shouldn't you be one of them? A lot of us are held back from mastering money because we believe in some common myths about wealth. One of the myths is that money won't make you happy, but let me tell you that it absolutely will. The best thing in life may well be free, like being in love, spending quality time with your children, experiencing nature. But if you want to experience these things, you need a form of income that doesn't rely on you working. The idea that everything great in life is free doesn't make sense if you're stuck in office for 60 hours a week. There are two types of people who have grand vision but no grasp of details, and there are people who work really hard without an overall sense of where they're going. If you want to master money, you need to do both. And the good news is that there's a simple system that will help you to do so. It's called VVKIK, which stands for Vision, Values, Key Result Areas, Income Generating Tasks, and Key Performance Indicators. Let me break it down for you. Your vision and values will help you guide towards what you want to achieve in life and how you want to achieve it. A quick tip for attracting more money is to simply shift money-based values up your list and ensure your life vision is financially focused. So instead of prioritizing on buying that shiny car or going on an expensive holiday, consider buying a house or investing in a new business. Determine your key result areas. These are the high-value areas on which you should focus. These should be areas like building relationships or network, starting a business, investing in yourself to learn new skills, or getting into the property market. If someone asks you to do something that isn't aligned with your key result areas, don't do it. This way, you will stay focused on high-value activities. Now take a look at your IGT, that is income generating tasks. These are the tasks that are aligned with your key result areas and generate the best possible monetary value from your time. For example, if one of your tasks is to learn a specific skill which will help you in your business or job, then it is going to bring more money in future that will have a significant impact on your wealth. Finally, develop a key performance indicator or KPI that shows what is going right or wrong with your financial situation. For example, if you set a target to save $1,000 a month and if you don't achieve it, that means you haven't met your KPI. Put this system of VVKIK in place and your financial life will get a lot easier. Make more money from less time. There's another myth that to be successful, you have to work hard, really hard. Go distance, make sacrifices and hustle. You need to abandon this idea. Plenty of us are earning a salary that feels good, but ultimately isn't all that great. Why? Because you're working hard and long hours in office simply in a hope that in long run you'll get a 5% pay rise that barely covers the inflation. Or maybe you are happily working overtime, giving up much of your invaluable free time to earn just a little more money. But there is a better way. The key to getting to grips with your time to money ratio is to understand your income generating value. Simply calculate what an hour of your time is worth. Once you know this, you can work out which activities you should do yourself and which you should pay for someone else to do it on your behalf. Leverage is vital for true financial success. Do you work for someone else? When you stop working, do you also stop earning? If so, you are being leveraged to make money for someone else. What you need to do is flip that around and use leverage to make money for yourself. So what exactly is leverage? Well, it's about making more from less, making more money from less time or from other people's time, generating better results from less of your own effort. Millionaires and billionaires all understand that leverage is a key to financial success. They find ways to maximize their time, knowledge, resources, or skills by outsourcing tasks when convenient. At the heart of embracing leverage is an attitude shift. Poor people think, I really need to do that, whereas rich people think differently. They ask, who can do that for me? Don't ignore leverage, make it work for you. The key message of this video is that everyone can learn to master money and create great wealth for themselves. You just need to understand the rules, how money works, and how you should plan your life to ensure that you maximize your earnings and wealth potential. Here is an additional tip. Record and track your net worth. Understanding and tracking your net worth is an essential first step to money mastery. Create a spreadsheet listing the value of all the assets and physical cash you own and compare them against your expenses and any debt or financial liabilities in your name. Now you know your exact wealth and can start to track it, analyze it, and plan for the future. If you'd like to read this book, please use the Amazon link from the description. Like it, share it, and subscribe for more videos like this.